Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And if you're looking for fun, engaging and interactive activities to do with your kids, this is the right space for you. I am super excited to share with you my brand new brain teaser activities which will go across ages, and they are super hands-on and DIY. You can easily create this in a matter of 10 minutes in your home with the stuff you need. Now, coming back to the activity, the stuff that you would need is either highlighter pens, sketch pens, or stickers. I have tried using all three of them just to show how they look. For one activity, there are stickers. For another, I've used highlighter pens. And for third one, I've just used simple random normal writing pens. Along with that, you would need a graphing paper. I have a graphing paper notebook. I have used this. You can go ahead and use your maths book. Let me show it to you. How can you make these activities and what is it exactly? But before doing that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload one of the cool videos. Okay, without wasting any time, let me show you what the activity is. So the first activity is the activity which is the level easy. Okay, and when I say easy, I would say this activity is perfect for kids for age 5. Yeah, 5 to 6 should be good. If they do it well, you can move them forward to the medium level. Now, what I've done is I have taken one set of color here. I have taken two sets of color. You have 8 cards for the kids to first try out. You can definitely make more combinations. I am starting with 8 cards. And all the 8 cards, you have at least 3 cards where you have just 2 colors. So you have just green here, you have just orange here, and you have just blue here. So like this, I have another card set that is the medium card. Let me show it to you. Right, so this is the level medium. I have 6 cards in here. So I have taken a paper of 5 by 5. You can take 4 by 4 or 5 by 5, 6 by 6, the way you want. I'm just taking 5 by 5. And here what I've done is I have used color combination of 3. So because we've already learned the color combination of 1 and 2 in the level easy, now this is the medium one where you have 6 cards and a combination of 3 colors. Now for the hard one, and then I'm going to show you how each one will be done, which is the hard level. And this can be done by a 7-year-old and an 8-year-old. And if you want to make it more tough by adding more color combinations, so what I've done here is I have added 1, 2, 3, 4. I've added 4 colors. You can add 5, 6, and you can make the grid bigger. So I have just shown 3 different ways or 3 different levels of progression in the activity by using 4 colors. And I have 6 cards here plus extra where I'm going to show you exactly how each one of them are going to be done. All right, people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the easy one. So we have easy, medium, and hard. Color combination 2, color combination 3, color combination 4. So for your kid, you just need to give them a pencil, tell them to pick up a card. I'm going to pick up this. And what needs to be done is that all the squares that you see, they have to connect this sticker to this sticker, okay, as a path. And they have, on the way, they have to make sure that the path, each square, the path goes from each square. And I'm going to show you how exactly this happens. So for this one, because I've put the stickers next to each other, I'm going to go take the path here, then go down here, come back here, come up here, and go here. So that's the path that I've created with the activity number 1, which was the easy activity. Every activity that you see, you have to connect the path, each sticker or no block will be empty. So the path needs to be covered. Now let's try and see the one with the with 3 colors. Okay. Maybe this will go from here. That's what I think. This is going to go from here. And this is going to go from here. So there were 3 ways for them to connect. So it's primarily a pretty cool maze that the child needs to figure it out, and they have to make sure that they go through each and every block. So this was the medium level and now the hard level. And I am doing it so quick because I've made it, but generally the kids are going to take time. They're going to see which side is, so there is no right side or wrong side here. It looks all the same wherever they want to make the connection. The thing is they have to make sure that the pink meets the pink, the black meets the black, and each square is covered with the root. Okay, so let me try and do this one now for you. I got it. I've got all of them. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and the paid printable for this activity along with the answers is available. So if anybody is interested, just make sure that you leave me an email on sonalikapoor08@gmail.com. Make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and do leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.